Let's see what we have. We've got some nice, fun, extra things here like googly eyes and fluffy pom-poms and our scissors. We've got some crayons. Ooh, and Pixel went ahead and she cut out all of the shapes for us that we're gonna need today for our shark. We do have to do a little bit of cutting though, because we're gonna have to cut our shark's teeth. Let's get started. So here are all of our shapes. Our shark's head and its mouth and its tongue and the strips we need to make our headband. But first, let's cut out the rest of our teeth. Shark teeth are very, very sharp. We don't ever want to feel what those feel like in real life. Cutting our shark teeth, cutting our shark teeth. Chomp, 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 chomp. So far, we've cut out 2 shark teeth. We're almost done with cutting out our 3rd shark tooth. We have 2 more to go for this row. And we've got 1 more for the top row of our shark's mouth. Now, let's cut out the last 5. I think I'm gonna try to see if I could do it like this. That way, I can get it done nice and fast. Chomp, 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 chomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more. 5 shark teeth. Altogether, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 teeth for our shark. Let's get started on gluing everything. First, we're gonna take this and we're gonna put some glue on this part. Now we're gonna stick it right here on the blue piece of paper. You have to really make sure that it's on there good. Now we're gonna get the red piece. And we're gonna put some glue on it. And make sure that we put that on there nice and good too. Now we get the pink piece. And we're gonna put some glue on it. And yep, you got it. We're sticking that on here too. That's the tongue. So far we have our shark's head, our shark's mouth, and our shark's tongue. Time to add some teeth. Put some on the top. I think I'll just put a piece of I think I'll just put a line of glue so we can stick our teeth on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 shark teeth up top. Now we have to add our shark teeth on the bottom. So let's do some more glue. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 shark teeth at the bottom. Next, we need to add some eyes. You could either color some eyes, or if you have some googly eyes, we can use googly eyes, because how fun is that? Let's put some glue on the back of our eye. Oops, that's okay. One shark eye. Let's get some glue for the other eye. And there you go. Time to add our headband. We're going to take a piece of our long strip, put some glue here, and stick it on the side of our headband. Then we're going to do this other side and stick this here. And that might be enough for some people, but I think I'm gonna need one more stick so that it'll fit on my head. So I'm gonna add one more stick here. And then now we're gonna turn our headband and connect it so that it fits on our heads. And I'm gonna add some glue here. And ta-da! We've got our shark headband! Yay! I loved making shark headbands with you. See you next time for our next craft.
Bye-bye!
Like and subscribe.